There are several options that we can employ whenever we're routing our pipe at an offset. If you notice here, I have a line drawn on the screen just so we can see how an offset is going to affect the routing of the pipe. So first I'll just go ahead and remember you have to establish where you're going to offset from, whether it be center of pipe, top of pipe, or bottom of pipe. I'll go ahead and start a pipe routing command, and I'll use a nearest snap just to get me on the line. And as I pull through here, you can see that the pipe is being routed through the center. Okay, I'll go ahead and take that one away. And I'll switch this to top of pipe. And when I route the pipe, I'll do the same thing, grab it with a nearest snap. And you'll see that it's following along the top. Now without erasing that one, I'll just go ahead and switch this to the bottom of pipe, and I'm pretty sure you already have a general idea what this is going to look like. I'll switch to nearest again and route that out that way. So now you can see what a difference it makes whether you choose center, top, or bottom of pipe for your routing. Now you may say that's fine, but what if I'm not touching the line that I've drawn as a guide? Not a problem. We can go ahead and we can set this with an elevation offset as well. Remember, you can always establish the height that you're going to be routing your pipe at, but what we can also do here is in the elevation and routing, we can use this drop down right here, and we can, well, we do have other choices right there that we can do: top left, top right, center left, so on, and center right, so on and so forth. But you also have other choices that you can use down in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this drop down right here so we can use our horizontal and our vertical offset. So if I wanted to say that I needed to go 2 feet horizontally off of this line, well, then I can route pipe. I'll go ahead and snap to a endpoint this time. And now you'll see, even though I'm following down the line, it was going 2 feet off to the right. Now, I'll change this one more time, make it a little more interesting. So now let's give it a vertical offset of 2 feet. And now we'll go ahead and route the pipe. We'll use our same exact starting point. And you'll see as we follow, now it's not only 2 feet to the right, but it's also being routed 2 feet vertically as well. So this is a good way to be able to stack pipe in a rack, or for any other, especially with structures, it's a very useful tool to be able to offset your pipe.